Hello and welcome to my video on how to earn money online. In this video, I'll be sharing some practical tips and strategies for making money online. First of all, let's talk about why earning money online is such a popular choice for many people. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for making money, and the best part is that you can do it from the comfort of your own home. Whether you are looking to make a little extra cash on the side or build a full-time business, there are plenty of ways to earn money online. So, without further ado, let's dive into the tips. Tip number 1. Start a blog or website. One of the best ways to make money online is by starting a blog or website. There are a number of ways to monetize your blog or website, including advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. The key is to create valuable content that people will want to read and share. Tip number 2. Sell products or services. Another great way to make money online is by selling products or services. This could be anything from physical products like handmade crafts or digital products like ebooks or courses. You can also offer services like consulting, coaching, or freelancing. Tip number 3. Participate in online surveys. If you're looking for an easy way to earn a little extra cash, online surveys can be a good option. There are a number of websites that will pay you to take surveys on a variety of topics. While you won't get rich doing this, it can be a good way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Tip number 4. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency can be a good way to make money online, although it does come with some risk. If you're new to investing, it's important to do your research and start small. There are a number of websites and apps that make it easy to invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Tip number 5. Become a social media influencer. If you have a large following on social media, you may be able to make money as an influencer. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services to your followers. However, building a large following takes time and effort, so this is not a quick or easy way to make money online. Those are just a few of the many ways to earn money online. The key is to find something that you enjoy and that you're good at, and then put in the time and effort to make it a success. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any other tips or strategies for making money online, please share them in the comments below and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.